So here's a video I took of the sun rising. It took 31 minutes to film, and I fast forwarded to 64, and you can see the real sun rising across the sky in the back, and it's orange, it's yellow, and then there's a white ball of something with a white light, bright white light shining, and it keeps on trying to follow it and track the sun and kind of stand in front of it as it moves across the sky. And here's a aircraft that I noticed after. In this aircraft, you can see it's going in front of the real sun. You can still see it slightly, but it's covered by the fake clouds. And here's the second aircraft that I saw, and this one is flying. You could see it go behind the fake sun. And if it were the real sun, then I mean, how can the aircraft be behind the sun? It has to be in front of it, right? But it's not.